Cicada, from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. http://en.wikipedia.org. A cicada, or cicada, is any of several insects of the order Hemiptera, suborder Homoptera, with small eyes wide apart on the head and transparent, well-veined wings. Cicadas live in temperate to tropical climates. Cicadas are sometimes called locusts, although they are unrelated to true locusts. Section 1. Taxonomy. There are many thousands of species of cicadas. The largest cicadas are in the genera Pomponia and Taqua. There are some 200 species in 38 genera in Australia, about 100 in the Palearctic, and exactly one species in England, the New Forest cicada, Melampsalta montana, which is widely distributed throughout Europe, where about 2,000 species are known, some 600 in Germany alone. Most of the North American species are in the genus Tibicen, the annual or dog day cicadas, named after the dog days because they emerge in late July and August. The best-known North American genus is Cicada, however. These periodical cicadas have an extremely long life cycle of 13 or 17 years and emerge in large numbers. Another American species is the Apache cicada, Dichiroprocta apache. 38 species from 5 genera populate New Zealand, and all of the species are endemic to New Zealand and the surrounding islands, Norfolk Island, New Caledonia. Section 2. Description. Adult cicadas, sometimes called imagines, are usually between 2 and 5 centimetres, 1 to 2 inches long, although there are some tropical species that reach 15 centimetres, 6 inches, e.g. the Pomponia imperatoria from Malaysia. Cicadas have prominent eyes set wide apart on the sides of the head, short antennae protruding between or in front of the eyes, and membranous front wings. Cicadas are also one of the only insects known to cool themselves by sweating. Male cicadas have loud noisemakers called timbrels on their sides. Their singing is actually a kind of stridulation. They vibrate these membranes with strong muscles. Their body serves as a resonance body, greatly amplifying the sound. Some cicadas produce sounds louder than 100 decibels. This amazing sound has frequently inspired haiku poets in Japan to write about them. They modulate their noise by wiggling their abdomens toward and away from the tree that they are on. The fact that only males produce the cicada's distinctive sound prompted Xenophon to remark, "Blessed are the cicadas, for they have voiceless wives." This is the sound of a cicada in Lower Hutt, New Zealand, recorded in mid-February 2006. Section 3. Life cycle. Accompanying this section are several images. The first image has the caption 17-year cicada or Cicada. The second image has the caption Cicada's molting. Finally, there are 3 images together with the caption Exit Tunnels of Cicada, Japan. Most cicadas go through a life cycle that lasts between 2 to 5 years. Some species have much longer life cycles, e.g. the Cicada goes through a 13 or even 17-year life cycle. Most of this time, the animals spend underground as nymphs at depths ranging from about 30 centimetres, 1 foot, up to 2.5 metres, about 8.5 feet. The nymphs feed on root juices and have strong front legs for digging. In the final nymphal instar, they construct an exit tunnel to the surface and emerge. On a nearby plant, they molt one last time and emerge as an adult. When they molt, they shed their skins, and the abandoned skins can often be found left on trees, still clinging to the bark. Only the males have tymbals and sing to attract females. After mating, the female cuts slits into the bark of a twig and deposits her eggs there. She may do so repeatedly until she has laid several hundred eggs. When the eggs hatch, the newborn nymphs drop to the ground, where they burrow and start another cycle. Section 4. See also. There are also Wikipedia articles on the cicada killer wasp, a predator of cicadas, and Cicada, the periodical cicada, or 17-year locust. Section 5. External links. The following websites may also be of interest. Cicada and forest mulch from news.bbc.co.uk/science/nature/40465557.stm. Cicadas pictures from www.cicadas-pictures.com, which shares facts and pictures regarding cicadas and their behaviour, life cycle and feeding habits. Cicada Mania from cicadamania.com/cicadas has cicada news, FAQs, links, pictures and video. Audio files of the songs of some cicadas from Florida can be found at buzz.ifas.ufl.edu/C700FL1.htm. And finally, at www.chat11.com/cicada with a capital C _life with a capital L _cycle with a capital C, there is a very detailed site about the life cycle of a cicada. This sound file and all text in the article are licensed under the GNU Free Documentation License, available at www.gnu.org/copyleft/fdl.html.